Good morning, Daily Family. It is Saturday morning and we are just getting ready to go to Animal Kingdom. I packed the Fawn Design bag, so it's all packed up. Super excited about that. I'm bringing my hat and I am wearing my new ASOS cold shoulder shirt because it's a little chilly, but it's gonna heat up to like mid 70s, but I still get cold. So I'm wearing just Victoria's Secret black leggings, my white Chuck Taylors, and then my flowy ASOS shirt. So yeah, in the diaper bag, I'm gonna open it up anyway because I have to put my phone charger in there. It packs a lot of stuff, I do have to say. I have a little sweater for Greyson. I have some snacks. I have my sunglass case, my little bag of hair tie, bobby pins, band-aids, lips, chapstick, and then my external I guess I'll just show you, my extra battery phone charger, travel phone charger. I brought my glasses. So sunglasses, glasses, regular seeing glasses. I have some wet ones. I have my wallet. I have Greyson's change pack that has diapers, wipes, Desitin, Vaseline, hand sanitizer in there. I have an extra change of clothes in a wet bag. I have some tissues. And then, I don't know, I just have little trinkets from my old diaper bag. So this teething thing, but he just plays with it. So I'll just keep that in there. So as you can see, it packs a ton of stuff. I might need to put more snacks in there, or new snacks, because I don't know when the last time we repacked that was. But there's a fork and a spoon in case he needs that if we go to a restaurant there. I got some Cliff bars for Greyson and for Pat, and then I have some goldfish, so that's kind of just what's in there. What I was gonna do, pack my little sweater in there too. All right, we are on our way to Disney.
They're not cold though.
Oh, okay. Is there a cold LaCroix?
They keep taking it off and wanting to put it back on. We'll fix it in a minute.
Greyson's all ready. We on our way to Disney? Let's go, sweetie pie.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram.
Tree of Life.
Oh yeah, look at that Greyson.
We can't leave the stroller yet, but are you excited to be in Animal Kingdom? You got your Mickey Mouse ears on? Yeah. Monkey, do you see the monkeys? Look at those monkeys! What does the monkey say? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. What does the monkey say? Oh, are they playing? Playing? Look at those monkeys. Wanna go get some food next? Are you hungry?
Okay.
Hungry with your Mickey Mouse ears, little munchkin. Thank you so much. Do you see the turtle and the ducks? Yeah, where'd it go? Where did it go? Yeah. It's a little crazy here today. Pat is in line to get some food. We stopped at the place where I got my vegan food, and then he stopped and got a hot dog for Greyson, but he didn't want either of those things. So I think he's getting a cheeseburger at this place that looks like a little corner market. So Greyson and I are just hanging out because it would be too difficult to get the stroller into that mess. But we're just hanging out. He's drinking water. I want him to drink a ton of water because his cheeks are like all red. It's a little hot. The weather said that it was supposed to be like low to mid 70s. It feels warmer than that, so I'm getting a little toasty. I should have actually worn shorts instead of leggings, but I'll be fine. I'll handle it. In the shade, it's decent. What does the tiger say?
Say roar to him again.
Say roar. Okay. Me and you now.
Greyson, cheese face. Cheese face.
Are we gonna see the fishes? Are we gonna see the fishes? Can we see Nemo and Dory? Can you say Dory? Can you say Nemo? Nemo, that's right. That's what we're seeing. Okay, so we are at Dino Land or something, and we're heading back to like the Tree of Life. I want a Mickey pretzel. Me and Greyson are gonna share a Mickey pretzel. And then we have quite a bit of time before we have the Kilimanjaro Safari. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it's almost 3 o'clock now, and the Kilimanjaro Safari is at 4:30. So Greyson is a little tired, and we're on the hunt for, I want a cold drink. We have warm water. I've been drinking water, but I want a cold drink and a Mickey pretzel. So we're on the hunt for one of those, and we're in Africa now. We are getting ready to go on the train, the safari train. Choo-choo! Train! Are we on the choo-choo? Are we on the choo-choo train?
Here comes our truck.
So Pat took my camera and went on the Kilimanjaro safari with Greyson, and nowhere on the website or any of like the blogs that I saw said that the safari like wasn't good for pregnant women. But then once we got in and I scanned my fast pass and everything, there was a sign that said like expectant mothers should not ride. So I'm not gonna chance it. So I'm sitting here and I ate the ears off Mickey. I got my Mickey pretzel, so I guess it's good. I'll just sit and eat my Mickey pretzel in peace. I also got some strawberries, so I'm gonna sit here and wait for them. But I gave Pat my camera, so hopefully he gets some good footage of Greyson and the safari and whatever, since I can't be there. But
All right, Greyson, are you ready? 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 Let's go. Let's go see some animals.
it'll be good. Like, we did this for Greyson, so while I'm disappointed that I can't see probably the best ride at this park, you know, I don't want to chance it, so over and out.
What is that, Greyson?
Different sizes. It's not really neat.
Yeah.
Now, the reticulated are known for their net-like patterns. It's actually really good.
He's like yawning. Greyson, you like gorilla?
Gorilla.
Okay.
Little baby up there, right?
Okay. We're on our way. This is pretty right here.
Got the sugar for the strawberries.
Are you marching? Oh my god, he's out of control.
Alright,
Alright,
let's go walk.
on our way. Bye-bye, Animal Kingdom. Bye-bye, Tree of Life. See you later, it's been real. Say bye-bye, Greyson. Say bye-bye. Wave. Wave again. Animal Kingdom all day. I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I hope that you all have a wonderful day, night, weekend. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.